So, you're standing in front of the mirror. The outfit is absolutely perfect. The heels are manageable, and your makeup is actually cooperating for once. You feel incredible, right? But then you look at that cute little clutch or that structured handbag on the bed, and you realize, wait, what do I actually need to bring with me? Going out en femme for the first time, or even the 100th time, comes with its own unique set of logistics that most people just don't have to think about. It's not just about carrying your phone and your keys. It's about preparedness, it's about confidence, and honestly, it's about making sure that once you step out that door, nothing can pull you out of your element. Welcome back to My Life, My Rules. I'm so glad you're here with me today. We're diving deep into the ultimate purse essentials for the cross-dressing community, because let's be real, a well-stocked bag is basically a survival kit for the soul. When we talk about going out, we aren't just talking about a trip to the grocery store. We're talking about navigating a world that isn't always built for us, and doing it with grace and style. The goal here is to make sure you feel secure enough to actually enjoy your night, rather than worrying if your wig is shifting or if your beard shadow is starting to peek through. So, let's start with the absolute non-negotiables. First up, and I cannot stress this enough, is your touch-up kit. You've spent an hour, maybe two, getting that contour just right. But the second you take a sip of a drink or start talking to someone at a lounge, that lipstick is going to start its slow retreat. Always carry the exact lip shade you're wearing. Don't try to bring a similar one, because colors can be tricky under different lights. Along with that, a small pressed powder or some oil blotting sheets are your best friends. Nervousness or even just the heat of a crowded room can lead to a bit of shine, and while a dewy look is great, you want to be the one in control of where that glow is happening. Now, let's talk about the things people often forget until it's a minor emergency. Eyelash glue. Listen, I've been there. You're having a great conversation, you feel like $1,000,000, and then you feel that tiny, horrifying tug of a lash corner lifting in the wind. It's a total mood killer. Carrying a tiny tube of lash adhesive and maybe a pair of tweezers can save your entire look in 30 seconds flat in a bathroom stall. And speaking of bathroom stalls, let's have a quick heart-to-heart about mirrors. Don't rely on finding a mirror when you need one. Carry a small, lighted compact. It gives you the independence to check your look anywhere, whether you're in the back of an Uber or a dimly lit corner of a club. It's about that peace of mind, you know? Knowing you look just as good as you did when you left the house. Moving on to the just-in-case category, which is where the real experts shine. If you're wearing heels, and let's be honest, many of us love the height and the silhouette they give us, you need to be realistic. Your feet might decide they're done before you are. A pair of foldable flats or even some high-quality gel inserts tucked into your bag can be the difference between a night to remember and a night you can't wait to end. There is no shame in a quick shoe swap if it means you can keep enjoying your evening. Also, think about your silhouette. If you're using breast forms or padding, carry a few safety pins or some specialized fashion tape. Things shift. It happens to the best of us. Having a way to subtly pin something back into place is a total lifesaver. It's those little behind-the-scenes fixes that keep the magic alive for everyone else. We also have to consider the practical side of being out in the queer community. Identity is a beautiful, complex thing, but the world sometimes demands paperwork. If your ID doesn't quite match your current presentation, that can create a moment of anxiety at the door of a venue. My advice? Keep your ID in a very accessible spot so you aren't fumbling. If you have a preferred name that differs from your legal one, maybe keep a little card or something that helps you stay grounded in your identity. And of course, always have a bit of cash. You never know when you might need to tip a performer or if a small shop has a card minimum. It's just about being savvy. One thing I personally always carry is a small bottle of perfume or a scented rollerball. There's something about a scent that really anchors you in your feminine energy. It's a sensory reminder of who you are in that moment. Pair that with some breath mints or gum, because if you're out being social, you want to feel fresh and confident during those close-up conversations. It's all about these layers of comfort. We're building a shield of confidence, item by item. But here's the most important thing to pack, and it doesn't take up any physical space at all: your self-assurance. I know that sounds cheesy, but hear me out. Your bag is full of tools to help you maintain your exterior, but your interior state is what people really respond to. If you're constantly checking your bag and looking worried, it shows. But if you know that everything you could possibly need is right there hanging on your shoulder, you can breathe. You can stand taller. You can smile at a stranger and truly mean it. That's the real power of being prepared. It's not about being perfect. It's about being ready for whatever the night throws at you. Sometimes, the bravest thing we can do is simply exist as our authentic selves in public spaces. Whether you're just starting to explore crossdressing or you've been doing this for years, every time you step out en femme, you're making a statement. You're saying that your rules matter more than anyone else's expectations. And that's why these little details in your purse matter. They aren't just stuff. They are the support system for your bravery. They allow you to focus on the fun, the music, the friends, and the experience, rather than the logistics. As you get more comfortable, you'll start to figure out your own must-haves. Maybe for you, it's a specific hair tie because your wig gets hot, or maybe it's a portable phone charger because you know you're going to be taking a ton of photos. Whatever it is, embrace it. Own your routine. There is so much joy to be found in the ritual of getting ready and the security of being prepared. So, before you head out on your next adventure, take a second look at that bag. Does it have your lipstick? Your lash glue? Your backup shoes? Your sense of humor? Good. Then you're ready. You're going to look amazing, but more importantly, you're going to feel amazing. And that's what My Life, My Rules is all about, finding the tools and the community to live your life exactly how you see fit, with no apologies. I want to hear from you now. What's the one thing you never leave the house without when you're going out en femme? Is there a secret weapon in your purse that I missed? Drop a comment below, and let's share our best tips. Your advice might be exactly what someone else needs to hear to feel brave enough to take their first step outside. If this video helped you feel a little more prepared or a little more seen, please hit that subscribe button and join our family here. We're all about empowering each other and celebrating every shade of the rainbow. Check out our other videos for more tips on makeup, styling, and navigating life in our beautiful community. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay prepared, and remember, it's your life. So play by your own rules. I'll see you in the next one. Would you like me to create a checklist of these items that you can save to your phone? Thank you so much for watching till now. It means the world to have you here. This community is all about empowering each other and celebrating the incredible journeys of everyone on their path to living authentically. If you're ever feeling lost or alone, remember you have a whole family here for you. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button, and let's keep inspiring each other, sending you all the love and strength in the world. Until next time, live your life by your rules.